no tomorrow.
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. Okay, so today's video, this is just another quick little haul. Yesterday's video, I brought y'all a Dollar Tree haul that I had recently been on. And so I actually went to the Dollar General store last night and found several new super cute fall items, along with a few little Christmas things that they had actually put out. And I just wanted to continue this and let you guys see just what's, popping up in stores, because I don't know if your stores are like mine, but the Dollar General store that's closest to me actually has not gotten a truck in almost 2 months. Like, they've maybe had 2 trucks, I think, in the last 2 months, something like that. So that they had been telling me, because I kept asking, like, where's all the fall stuff? Where's all the decorations? Where is, and they were like, well, we haven't gotten a truck. I mean, there was not even toilet paper on the shelves last week, guys. Nothing. There was nothing in this store pretty much. And they actually got a truck recently. So when I went in last night for milk, I saw that they had put out their fall stuff, and I was like, oh my gosh, I got so excited. So I picked up a few things, and I know, yesterday's video, I told y'all that I was not gonna buy anything else, and I was done, shopping and decorating for fall. But y'all, when you see this stuff, you're gonna be like, okay, I totally get it. I know why she had to buy it, because it's just so dang cute. Okay, so let's just jump right into this. Okay, so first up, I've got a candle. Guys, they have got some darling candles at the Dollar General store right now. Look at how stinking cute this is. And it smells, it just smells like fall. It smells so good. But look at how stinking cute. They had the orange and white buffalo check. They have the black and white, and then they also had a blue and white buffalo check. They were all, like a little different in the scents, but they were pretty much all fall scented, obviously. But super cute, just darling to add to just like a tray, or, throw you that and then some beaded garland on a tray, and boom, you've got a little vignette. Perfect. Let's see, what's up? Oh, check this out. How adorable is this? Now, I am not much of an apron wearer. I don't wear an apron necessarily when I cook or anything, but I got this because it was $5, first of all, and so was the candle. The candle was $5 also. But I picked this up because it was only $5, and it is so stinking cute. It's got the blue around the bottom of the hem. Just darling, absolutely darling. But I grabbed this just to kind of hang in the corner of my kitchen. So I really bought it for like decoration, honestly. I didn't buy it to wear it. I bought it for totally decoration. I know some of you feel me on that. Okay, now I found velvet pumpkins, and these are big. These are probably 3 times the size of the Dollar Tree. So good size, and I believe it was $3. The little sticker fell off of it, but I believe this was $3, and look at how pretty. Just a gorgeous, like, cobalt blue color. Gorgeous. Love the velvet pumpkins. Let's see, they had these little pumpkins. These are so stinking cute, and these were only $3 a piece. Let me get it turned right. These were $3 a piece, y'all. I still don't have it turned right. Hang on. I can get my fingers to do right. Okay. Are you kidding me? Seriously? Maybe it's messed up. Maybe it was made like that. Anyways, the dang thing says thankful, and the other one says hello fall. Are these not adorable? Now, you could make something like this super cute, super cheap, but you're probably going to make it for around $3 to begin with by the time you get all the pieces for the pumpkins and then the beads. And so to give $3 for something like this, I think is totally cool. I'm very impressed with those. I love those. I actually bought those. I'm going to put one up on a shelf that kind of hangs on the wall, and then the other one I'm going to sit on one of my end tables next to the couch. So I think that'll be really cute. And then look at this, y'all. Oh my gosh. How darling is this? $4. That's right, $4. So I grabbed this to actually put on my front door. Our screen door is kind of messed up, and so it like fits too close to the actual front door. So it's hard for me to put like a wreath or anything that has any like bulkiness to it. I can't fit it because then you can't shut the screen door. So anyways, I thought this would be perfect. It's super thin. I just thought this would be perfect, and it is so stinking cute. And then they also had one that was the blue and white buffalo check, and I believe it said maybe hello fall or something like that. But I just thought this was darling. I absolutely love this. You could hang this on the wall. You could put this on a shelf. You could put this on your front door. I mean, there's so many things that you could do with this right here to decorate with. Very, very cute. Okay. Oh, the next one. Another truck. Too stinking cute. Says Farm Fresh. It's got the pumpkins in the back. $4. That's right. So stinking cute. I love these. And they had several different ones of this too. They were all like the truck and said Farm Fresh, but then like the pumpkins would be a different color in the back or whatever. And I just like the silver. I thought that was kind of different as far as like my decor. It just fit. It was perfect. So anyways, and then, oh my gosh, y'all. When I saw this, it was actually like up under some stuff. It almost looked like maybe somebody had kind of hid it in there. And so I first thought, I don't know if I should buy this because like, what if somebody else put it there and like hid it? They're going to come back later and pick it up. And then I was like, no, wait a minute. What if the Lord placed this right there, knowing that I was going to come in the Dollar Tree or Dollar General today and realize that all of a sudden they have fall decor that they have not had all these time. And so I decided to buy it because I just couldn't help it. I am in love with the material and the like quilted looking pumpkins. That is something I just absolutely love this year. I brought to y'all a Walmart and a Hobby Lobby haul, and I showed you the ones that I gotten at Walmart, and they're so stinking cute. But look at this one. Oh my gosh, y'all. How darling is this? $5. Plush pumpkin. And y'all, it's a pretty good size. Like, as you can see there, it's a good size pumpkin. Too stinking cute. It's got the twine to make off all the little places on the pumpkin. I just think this is darling, and I am very grateful that the Lord left that there for me because there was only one. It was the only one in the whole building. And like I said, it looked like it was kind of hid. It was hid for me. I'm gonna feel that way. I'm gonna think that, and I'm gonna thank the Lord for it. So yes, I love the material pumpkins. I just think they're so cute. All right, then they also had this little dude. How cute is this with the beads? Now, one thing about this, it was $5, which is super cheap to get anything with the beads on it. I mean, honestly, if you pick this up at Hobby Lobby, this would be anywhere from like $9.99 to like $12.99. So $5 is a very good price on this. But if you'll look at it, what is this? We got kind of, I mean, that looks pretty uniform and nice with the bow. But what is that? What do we got going on over here? We have like double the amount of greenery on one side that we have on the other side. And it's just not real well made, but definitely it can be worked with. So I grabbed it. It actually has zip ties holding the greenery on right here. So I'm just going to undo the zip ties, fix the greenery, and put it back together. I mean, super simple, but for $5, y'all, this is darling. This is really, really, really cute. I love that. Let me see. I believe that, nope. We got one more fall. No, we have two more fall things. So I found this coffee mug. How cute is that? The pumpkin patch. I love it. This was $3. Very cute. Now I don't drink a lot of coffee. I like coffee in the afternoons, late afternoon. I'm not a morning coffee person. I'd rather have orange juice, just to be totally honest. But I did buy the coffee mug because I like to decorate with stuff like that. I think it's super cute to sit on a shelf or, go with my Ray Dunn coffee mugs that I already have. So I thought this was just too stinking cute. So even if you don't drink coffee, grab up the cute coffee mugs. You can pop a plant in it. whatever you want to do with it. They are very, very cute to decorate with. All right, last but not least, because these are so stinking adorable. Look at these little pumpkins with the beads. Y'all, they're velvet. Not velvet. They are like suede feeling material. Too cute. And they were only $1. Are they not adorable? Love, love, love these. And I love the colors of these. I think these are different. You know, they're not just your typical like traditional fall colors. So I think they're super cute. They've got hot glue strands all over them. But anyways, I just thought these were darling. And then plus being that they're like suede material, that's kind of cool because right now at Hobby Lobby, they are selling something very, very similar to this, but it's not $1. So yeah, just keep that in mind. All right, now that was all of the fall stuff that I did pick up because like I said yesterday, I really am through decorating for fall. I just couldn't help myself with some of this stuff. It's just too stinking cute. So, but I just wanted to share this with y'all real quick. And then I did pick up a few Christmas things. So let me show you that really fast. And then y'all can go on about what you're doing today. I just wanted to pop in for a second, show y'all just a couple things that you can be on the lookout for. You know what I mean? All right, so wrapping paper. $3 for 135 yards. Now that's a pretty good deal. That's definitely way more than you're gonna get at the Dollar Tree. And then I thought this was really cute. It's different. It's, you know, kind of the buffalo pattern or the gingham pattern, however you want to say it, but it's got the different colors. And then obviously the brown. I'm loving the brown this year. I'm really thinking I'm gonna wrap a lot of stuff with like craft paper and then tie twine around it for my bows and just really make it that traditional like country Christmas look. So I really did like that this had the brown in it, but for $3 a piece, I mean, you can do lots of stuff with this. You don't just have to wrap presents. You can put this, Mod Podge this to some of your projects. I mean, there's just lots of things that you can do with wrapping paper. So those are super cute. They also have these again this year. Now they had these last year and I picked up a couple of them, but I picked up a couple again this year for this Christmas. I think these are darling. You can totally cut this apart, put this on a canvas or in a frame, and then you've got a cute little Christmas picture. So, and then I love the striped bags that also come with it. I think those are super cute. I'm not sure about the truck in this one because if you look at it real close, it's just not the old like farm truck. This looks more like a 1980 Chevy. But anyways, whatever, it's still kind of cool. So I love it. I think they're cute. I think those are adorable. Oh, they also had this felt garland. Look how cute that is with the little lights. And what I want to do, I'm actually fixing to come out with a Cricut video pretty soon. I was sponsored by Cricut a couple months ago, and I'm getting the video. They give you so long to get your video together and learn how to use the Cricut and whatnot. So I'm getting all that together, and I'm going to have that video out very, very soon. But I really want to take these and put some wording on it. Maybe say like merry and bright, and it's the perfect amount of lights in order to do so. So I thought that would be really cute. So y'all will probably be seeing that DIY very, very soon. But even if you don't put any kind of lettering on it, they're still darling just like they are. All right, they also had this garland. Now my bag ripped on me, but they had let me just take it out of the bag. Let's do that. Take the plastic off of it so maybe you can kind of see it a little better. But look how dadgum cute that is, y'all. Come on now. Too stinking cute for $2, y'all. That is unbelievable. This is darling. Now, mind you, this is not very long. You know, it's going to be a short little garland, but super duper cute. And for $2, you can buy 2 of them and string them together. You know what I mean? If you have a good area to put up your garland. Super, super cute though. And you can also take those apart. Like you could take this, I mean, just for instance, you could cut this off of here, take just this little deer head, pop him in a little frame, and boom, you've got a picture. I mean, that easy. It's so stinking cute. You could do stuff like that. You could do it with this, for heaven's sake. So yeah, I love the garlands, and for $2, you can't beat that. There's so many things that you could do with the garlands. They also had these little gift boxes like this. I thought this was cute. tree farm. It's got the truck on it. Too stinking cute. Several things that you could do with these. There's also this one that says Believe. And they were just $1. Now it's got 4 boxes, so 2 of each for $1. Yeah, I love that. I think that's so stinking cute. And like a lot of times I'll get my daughter jewelry and stuff like that for Christmas. And I love to put it in little boxes like that because that just makes it so much more special or something. You know, it's not just like thrown under the tree in a bag. It's in a cute little gift box that literally only cost me $0.25 if you want to be technical about it, because 4 for $1, yeah, it was $0.25 for one of those boxes. All right, I also picked up some ribbon. Let me just show you what I got. So I grabbed these ribbons. These were all $1 a piece. Very cute. But I love using these ones that have the different, like the little ticking straps. Totally don't have the slightest clue if I said that right or not. But y'all know what I'm talking about. So I like using those in my messy bows. So I thought that the patterns, we'll just say that instead of ticking strap. I don't know if that's right or not. So the patterned ribbon, Lord, I can't at all talk now. The patterned ribbon I like to use in my messy bows, and I use a lot of messy bows during Christmas time because I pretty much put a bow on almost everything during Christmas. So these are pretty cool for $1 a piece. And then also, you know, they got the red and black buffalo check, which is going to be super popular. Love those for $1. And then last but not least, now I had some of these last year and they're probably just packed up in my Christmas stuff, but I found them again this year. The little snowmen. How cute are these? There's a little girl snowman, little man snowman. I just love them. Y'all, $2 a piece. I totally just chunked that one in the floor. I hope he's not broken. Hang on. Anyways, so stinking cute, but for $2. Can you believe that? $2. So cute. And I like to use stuff like this not only for like little vignettes, but I like to use this when I have created a DIY and then I go to take pictures of it. I can set this kind of stuff around it and really make it pretty, you know, make the picture pretty. So that way when I present the pictures to y'all in the videos, y'all, you know, it's just decorated. I think that little stuff like that's perfect for that, but definitely perfect for any type of little Christmas vignette. That's all. I told y'all this was going to be short, sweet, and straight to the point, I guess. So that's all I had. Like I said, I just wanted to bring y'all some extra little stuff because I got so surprised and so excited whenever I went in the Dollar General last night and they had fall stuff, because I just cannot imagine that I'm the only Dollar General store in the whole country that is not put their fall stuff out yet. So hopefully you'll have seen some things that you can keep your eye out for and decorate your home with on a super budget, because this stuff was all very, very reasonably priced. I'm super impressed with the Dollar General store. I am. They really have upped their game with their decor, and most of it is, let me tell you something, it actually gets harder as a DIYer the better the stuff gets at the dollar store, because I used to buy stuff at the Dollar General store in order to redo it. Now, their stuff is so stinking cute, you don't need to redo it. There's nothing to do to it. So it actually gets a little harder to come up with this stuff, you know, to come up with the DIYs. But I'm super impressed with the Dollar General. I mean, I love it. I think that they have really upped their game and their stuff looks great. All right, I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Once again, we got to hang out for a minute, which is super cool. So if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It definitely helps my channel. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right, guys, I guess that's it. Y'all have a blessed day. Wait a minute, I didn't say thank you. Not cool. Let's start that over. All right, guys, I guess that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Honestly, thank you. Y'all have a blessed day.